In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get grand totals with connecting number columns in Monday.com. We'll keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll know how to add a numbers column to your board and instantly see a running grand total calculated for you. This is perfect for tracking budgets, quantities, hours, or any numeric data you want to sum up across your items. First, open a board where you want to track your numbers. Any standard board will do. Make sure you're looking at the main table view so you can see all your items and columns clearly. If your board already has groups, that's fine. Monday.com will still calculate totals across them. Next, add a new column. Look for the plus icon to the right of your existing columns or between columns on the header row. Clicking that button opens the column picker. This is where you choose the type of data you want to store. From the list, select Numbers. The numbers column is designed specifically for numeric values, so it's ideal for things like costs, units, points, or hours. Once it's added, you can keep the default name or rename it to something descriptive, like budget or hours spent, so everyone on your team knows what it's for. You can also customize the display later, things like decimal places or currency formatting, without changing how the total is calculated. Now, start entering values in the cells of your new numbers column. Click a cell, type a number, and press Enter to move to the next one. You can quickly fill multiple rows this way, and you can even paste a list of numbers from a spreadsheet if that's faster. As soon as you begin adding values, look at the bottom of the numbers column. You'll see a summary bar appear that shows the sum. That sum is your grand total, automatically aggregating every number in that column. If your board is grouped, you'll notice a subtotal for each group, plus an overall grand total for the entire column. The total updates instantly as you add, edit, or clear values, so you always have an accurate, up-to-date snapshot. If you don't immediately see the summary, try scrolling to the bottom of the column or widening it slightly so the footer is visible. That's all it takes. Open your board, add a numbers column, and start entering values. Monday.com does the math for you, giving you a clear grand total without any formulas or extra setup. Use this to keep budgets aligned, track progress, and make quick data-driven decisions.